the last thing I would say is the S&P 500. I would say go enjoy for the rebound. So market's rebounding after pricing in the 75 basis point of the prior interest rate hike for the Federal Reserve. Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Money Steps. It's been a month that I didn't update any things regarding the markets since the last update regarding market rebounds. So I have to make the time for these sessions about the market pullback since the last session was market rebounding a month ago. So today my topic will be focused on market pullback. So this is gonna be a short videos because I didn't have much time for the preparations of the slide. So let's move ahead for the disclaimer. This video is intended for my own recordings, reviewings, investments progress. So the viewers shouldn't treat this video as a buying or selling call for themselves. So this was the earlier updates for the market reboundings, which is 1 month ago. So did you manage to catch the market rebounding 1 month ago? So if you didn't, you could have missed the market rebound by 16 to 20% market rebounding. So this was the videos early on, which is on mid of July, market rebounding, take a ride or not. And the behind screen was the S&P 500. During that time I was update about the market has been pricing in the 75 basis point for the rate hike by the Federal Reserve. So and then the market starting to rebounding day after. So it's been rebounding for a month. So let's move ahead. Early on I was saying that's early enjoy for the market rebounding. Yep. So what's happened right now? The S&P 500 has been rising since my earlier post, which is 1 month ago. The market has been rebounding for 17% for S&P 500. This is a very strong rebounding. So I would say many of tech stocks, Apple's, Amazon's has been rebounding nicely. So we can see that the S&P 500 has been rising all the way to testing the downtrend line over here. You can see the blue color downtrend line. So it's testing for the downtrend line and the resistance as well. So on the last Friday, the market pulling back. There's a signal of pulling back where the market is dropping for a couple of days, not much. The last Friday was the best signals for the retracement rejection for the downtrend line. This is the S&P 500 again. So let's have a look for the others index, Dow Jones. So you can see that the Dow Jones is very much in line with the S&P 500, but it overshooting slightly for the downtrend line. So you can see the triangles, rectangle right over here. And so it's going to come back down toward below the downtrend line and the resistance as well for the yellow colors. And we go for the Nasdaq. So also the same. So all these three indexes is rejection for the downtrend line over here. So the blue color. So it's also going to reject for the resistance as well. So I would say this would be very pretty much confirmed as a rejection for the resistance. So it's going to pulling back slightly. How strong is the pullback? Nobody knows. I would say there are many people say the index has been bottoming. There are also many people saying that there will be a strongest coming down going onward. So I would say let the market telling you what's happened instead of going to guessing what is going to happen. So and also for the inflations in the US has been dropping in July. It's dropping from 9.1% toward the 8.5 or 8.6%, something around there. So I would say maybe it's a temporary sign for the inflation to retrace back. So I believe this wouldn't be the first signal to the inflation to come down. I would say the inflation might staying at a high range level since we still have the high crude oil price, and there are a lot of deglobalization signals in the overall in the economics, be it in the China's and the US trade war. All those things has been continuously escalating to the markets. So I would say the inflation will remain in the economics. So this could be not a good signal, I mean. So because the world is not in corporations to doing their parts. Yep. So if you like this video, please click like. If you share or not, it doesn't really matters. Please click like. Thank you and goodbye.